How fast does Yucca rostrata grow? Yucca rostrata is a slow-growing plant. It typically grows about 1 to 2 feet, 30 to 60 centimeters, per year under optimal conditions. Full maturity and significant trunk formation can take several years, often up to 10 to 15 years for a substantial trunk to develop. How to trim a Yucca rostrata? Trimming Yucca rostrata involves removing dead or damaged leaves from the bottom of the plant. Use clean, sharp pruning shears to cut the leaves close to the trunk. This helps maintain the plant's appearance and health. Be cautious not to cut too many leaves at once, as the plant relies on its foliage for photosynthesis. Where to buy Yucca rostrata? Yucca rostrata can be purchased at specialized nurseries, garden centers, or online plant retailers. When buying online, ensure the seller has good reviews and offers healthy, well-established plants. Some botanical gardens also sell these plants during plant sales. Can I plant Yucca rostrata seedlings outside? Yes, you can plant Yucca rostrata seedlings outside, but make sure they are sufficiently hardened off before transplanting. Gradually expose them to outdoor conditions over a week or two to acclimate them to their new environment. How large should Yucca rostrata be before planting outside? Yucca rostrata seedlings should be at least 6 inches tall and have a robust root system before being planted outside. This size ensures they are strong enough to withstand outdoor conditions and establish themselves in the soil. How long before Yucca rostrata forms trunk? Yucca rostrata typically starts forming a visible trunk after about 4 to 5 years of growth. However, the trunk will become more pronounced and substantial as the plant matures, often taking 10 to 15 years to develop a significant trunk. How long for Yucca rostrata to bloom? Yucca rostrata usually takes several years to bloom, often around 5 to 10 years, depending on growing conditions. The plant produces tall flower spikes with creamy white flowers in late spring to early summer. How much is a Yucca rostrata with trunk? The price of a Yucca rostrata with a trunk can vary widely based on size, age, and location. Generally, a mature Yucca rostrata with a trunk can cost anywhere from $100 to several $100s or more. How often water Yucca rostrata? Water Yucca rostrata sparingly. It is a drought-tolerant plant and prefers dry conditions. Water it deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. How to care for Yucca rostrata? Caring for Yucca rostrata involves providing full sun and well-draining soil. Plant it in a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Water sparingly and avoid overwatering. Fertilize once a year in the spring with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. Protect it from extreme cold, as it is hardy to about 10 degrees Fahrenheit minus 12 degrees Celsius, but may need protection in colder climates. How to propagate Yucca rostrata? Yucca rostrata can be propagated by seed or by removing and planting offsets, pups, that grow at the base of the plant. For seeds, sow them in a well-draining soil mix and keep them warm and slightly moist until they germinate. For offsets, carefully separate them from the parent plant and plant them in their own containers or directly in the ground. What to plant with Yucca rostrata? Yucca rostrata pairs well with other drought-tolerant plants like agaves, cacti, and other yuccas. It also looks great with ornamental grasses and low-growing succulents. Choose companions that thrive in similar dry, sunny conditions. When to plant Yucca rostrata? The best time to plant Yucca rostrata is in the spring or early summer, when the weather is warm and the plant has ample time to establish roots before winter. In warmer climates, it can also be planted in the fall.